We are on the south side of Nazareth. We're south of Nazareth about a mile. This guy is a major mesocyclone, beautiful storm. That thing is see it rotating?
Yeah.
See that thing rotating? We need to get a little closer. I'm gonna get up here just a little
Past
ways.
these trees up here.
Yeah. That is a rotating funnel cloud. It's probably a tornado right now. Am I aimed at it?
Yeah, in the center.
Okay. Yeah, just make sure it's centered.
Okay, you got it.
Nazareth is in the path of this thing.
Oh, God.
That is a large tornado. We'll go just a little bit farther because this thing's most likely heading east. We gotta stay out in front of it. I just want to get up past this barn and that's it.
Yeah.
And then we gotta be ready to turn around real quick.
Go, go, go. It's probably on the ground right now. It is.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Large tornado.
All right, first real tornado.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful.
All right. Oh, man. Perfect spot right here. Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh, God. Look at that. Look at that.
Is it aimed?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Want to zoom in on it?
Yeah, I will here.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna turn the car around. Large tornado on the ground. I'm gonna turn the car around so I can get a good view of this from the hatch.
Here's your chance to make money. New Chevron. Chevron. Simply smarter. Unlock the mystery of your family history. Michael Matthews, a radio show like one. Family history.
We got hail falling here.
Yeah.
Can you get my camera out?
Where is it?
It's in the back, yeah. I need my tripod. Yeah, okay, Chris. Well, I need... Can you pass my camera up through there? Large tornado on the ground. Getting the video camera set up. Huh?
You want me to sit right where you are?
No, I'm fine right here. Oh yeah, let me scoot over a little bit for you.
Here, I'll get on this side of you. Well, at least it's not, well, I guess it is hailing still.
Okay, we are tripoding.
I'm gonna jump out here real quick.
Lower it a little bit.
That is huge.
Okay, now we get my camera.
Think it'll keep going and cross the road there?
Oh yeah, this is a long track.
Oh, God.
Ah, crap. Oh well, screw it.
What you said on mud? Oh, yeah, that's for my feet.
Oh, large tornado.
God, you can see it moving.
Yeah,
How fast do you think it's going?
probably 30.
I wonder what they're doing in Nazareth down there right now. Are there any towns out that way?
Just little communities.
It's just about straight on with the road there.
A tripod for these pictures. Oh man, that is a large tornado.
Here, there's a cop way down there.
That cop better move.
Yeah, he's closer to it than we are. How far away do you think that is?
Power flashes
Oh, really?
right there at the base. Yeah, that's probably probably 3 miles.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's get closer then.
No,
No?
this is as close as we want.
But it's moving straight that way.
It's it's gonna go right up through here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but we got.
Close enough to there?
Huh?
Think even close enough to just right there?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
We'll probably move before then, though, won't we?
It depends. See, we need to watch this area down here now.
Yeah.
Because a new one might develop here.
Yeah, this hatchback was a good idea. You
Yeah.
can shield yourself from the hail and rain. What's going on with this now? It looks like it's lost some of its shape.
Yeah, it's got so much debris up in
Oh,
there.
really?
Yeah.
I got sand in my mouth.
Okay, tornado's still on the ground. It's picked up a large amount of debris. View to the south, southwest.
Look this way, or hit the face with its tail.
There's another one developing right there.
I heard the snore.
Yeah, that thing is rotating too. That's gonna put down a tornado.
That's closer to us than this place.
Yeah.
Ooh, see that one?
Yeah.
Dime size.
That thing is still on it. Look how big that is. That's
Yeah.
still huge.
Popcorn. We had birds flying through the hail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. Have to get inside the back seat pretty soon.
Yeah. Golly. Large tornado still on the ground. There's an area of strong rotation just to the south of it. Another possible rotation. Tornado's getting obscured. Area of rapid rotation right there.
No, it still hasn't gotten hit by any.
Okay, losing a lot of contrast. Okay, we might need to move south.
How do we get back in the car without getting hit by hail?
Crawl through here.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you crawl through it and take the camera back up there with you?
Give me a mud on you.
That's fine, I don't care. That's what I got in the car for. Okay, we're gonna head a little farther south, because dang, that's close. That tornado's most likely still on the ground. Rapid inflow. Okay, we're close to the heart of the storm. You don't want to get much closer than this. At least I don't. Me neither. Okay, can you mount that back up there? Okay, we're getting out of here.